Disappearing rivers have been disrupting livelihoods and tourism in Portland as drought conditions worsen island-wide. In fact, the operators of the popular Somerset Falls in Hope Bay have suffered a major blow now that the river has dried up. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Boats in unusual places. The riverbed now visible, revealing rocks that were buried 28 feet below water. All signs that the river at Somerset Falls in Portland, one of the island's wettest parishes, has disappeared.
And the first time wasn't as bad as this. Yes, so it's climate change and it's real.
And when you take the waterfalls and river out of Somerset, the operators are being forced to do more with less.
It is affecting business in that there's not much income presently, and we still have our bills to pay. However, we still have a little activity that goes on the weekends. So Saturdays and Sundays, we still have the swimming pool and the water slide. But to be honest, it's much less persons that comes.
Less income means workers are affected, tourism is disrupted, and we were told hundreds of visitors have been left disappointed from as early as April.
So we have not been getting any rain at all in this area for the river to flow. So we have to turn back guests because, that's our main attraction, the boat ride on the river to the falls. Most persons come for that.
And residents too have had to find alternative attractions to cool off in the bitter heat, which takes us to this river in Fruitful Vale. But again, the once roaring river has been reduced to a small pool.
It's second time this now. It's worse this year more than last year still. No, it's worse. The drought more serious now. The heat and the river dry from June last year. Water in the river.
With the river low, fishing is a challenge and livelihoods disrupted.
This long, nobody no fish because no fish right now on the planet. Because when it dry, sometimes you don't even see no whole about fish. For this over 4 years now, nobody don't fish in this river.
Experts have linked the ongoing dry spell to climate change, which will lead to hotter summer months and more brutal winters. Like Jamaica, rivers have been drying up across the globe, with India alone seeing dozens of rivers disappearing during extreme heat waves in June. The people in Portland, though, remain hopeful that the rivers will return soon.
For us, this river never die. We have a little time it go down. And after, winter, it have to come back strong. But this river never died.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.